Have you ever felt like you're maybe the only one who doesn't quite get AI? Well, you're definitely not alone. But what if I told you that in just the next few minutes, you'll not only understand it, but you'll see exactly how you can use it to kind of supercharge your life? Okay, let's dive in and demystify this whole AI thing together. So, when you hear artificial intelligence, what do you picture? Probably something from a big sci-fi movie, right? That's what most people think. But the reality is, it's a lot closer to home. In fact, AI is kind of woven into the fabric of your day-to-day life, usually in ways you don't even notice. That's right. It's not some far-off futuristic idea. It's actually the invisible engine behind a ton of the apps and devices you use from the second you wake up. So let's start there. Let's look at exactly where this technology is already showing up in your daily routine. I think you're going to be pretty surprised. Okay, check these out. You know that perfect YouTube recommendation that just pops up and it feels like it read your mind? Yep, that's AI learning what you like. Or how about when your phone's keyboard predicts your next word before you even type it? That's AI recognizing how you talk. In those super fast, spot-on results you get from a Google search, that's a massive AI sifting through billions of web pages just for you. So see, it's not magic, it's just a really powerful kind of technology. At its core, all AI is doing is recognizing patterns. Think of it like this. It's like teaching a little kid what a cat is. You show them a bunch of pictures of cats, and pretty soon they learn the pattern, fur, whiskers, pointy ears. AI does the exact same thing, but it does it with huge amounts of data. And the more data it sees, the smarter it gets. So, if AI isn't some magical force, what is it? Honestly, the best way to think about it is as your own personal, super smart helper, always there to help you work smarter, not harder. Here's probably the simplest definition you'll ever need. AI is just software that can learn from information and then make decisions based on it, a lot like a human brain. But here's the big difference. It can process information at a scale and a speed that we just can't. And this comparison right here really shows why it's such a perfect partnership. We humans bring the creativity, the emotion, the big ideas. The AI brings the tireless data crunching, incredible speed, and it can work 24/7 without even needing a coffee break. When you put those two together, you've got a pretty unstoppable team. Okay, that's all cool, but why should you personally care about AI? Especially if you're a student or you're just getting started with your career? The short answer? Hours. We are talking about hours and hours of your life that you can get back. AI is an absolute master at handling all the boring, repetitive stuff, which frees you up to focus on what actually matters, the creative stuff, the strategic thinking, the important work. I mean, for anyone studying, just think of AI as your personal tutor that never sleeps. It can take 20 pages of dense notes and spit out a perfect one-page summary. It can break down a really complex topic from a lecture into simple language that you actually get. It can even create a custom practice quiz for you before your next exam. And this goes way beyond just the classroom. If you're trying to earn some money online, AI can be your secret weapon. For real. You can use it to brainstorm and write scripts for YouTube videos, come up with a dozen blog post ideas, design a professional-looking logo in minutes, and even automate the boring parts of running a small business. And here's the bottom line. Learning to use AI isn't about trying to work less. It's about making your hard work count for more. Ignoring this technology is like trying to build a house with only a hammer. I mean, you might get it done eventually, but you're going to get left in the dust by everybody else who's using power tools. So, ready to get started? You might be shocked at how easy it is to take your first steps into this world. Let's just break down a super simple plan to get you going, like today. Okay, here's your plan. And the best part, it's going to cost you $0. First, just start playing around with free tools. Things like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Second, watch short little explainer videos on YouTube to learn one thing at a time. And third, practice giving the AI clear instructions. We call those prompts. And this right here, this slide, is the secret sauce to unlocking AI's real power. It's all about how good your instructions are. A vague prompt like write something is going to give you a vague, useless answer. But a super specific prompt, that's going to give you a targeted, incredibly useful response. It's just like giving directions. The more specific you are, the better your chances of getting where you want to go. And that's all it takes. Seriously, you don't need to block off your entire weekend or sign up for some long, boring course. Just give it 5 or 10 minutes each day to play around and learn. You will be absolutely amazed at how fast it goes from being this big, intimidating thing to being an essential part of your toolkit. All right, let's wrap this up and get you ready to take your next step on this adventure. So, if you remember anything from this whole thing, please let it be these 3 points. 1. AI is a tool. It's a smart helper designed to help you. 2. It's not some scary, weird concept. You are already using it. And 3. You can start getting way better at using it right now, for free. And that brings us to you. Now that you've got the foundation down, what's your next move? Are you ready to dive deep into using AI to totally crush your exams? Or maybe to build a following with awesome content? Or even start your own online business? Let us know what you want to learn next. This is your journey, and we're here to help you every single step of the way.